Warm greetings to all the viewers. Namaste. How are you all doing? Option 1, doing good. Option 2, happy smiling. Option 3, no regrets, just getting on. Post me your answer in the comment section. I would like to see your answers. Thanks for all your support. Today's video is on an interesting topic. Please don't skip the video. Watch this video till the end. It helps all the small YouTubers to increase the views and the subscribers. Most of the time we want to learn of tricks and tips that helps to increase views, subscribers and watch time, isn't it? So this is one of the best tip I have to say, or the trick you can say, to increase your views and subscribers within a short time. Just add end screen and cards to YouTube Shorts. That is, whenever you make YouTube Shorts video, you have to add end screen and cards to that video. Now I'll show you as how you got to upload YouTube Shorts. You go to the channel dashboard and click on Create. You have to select the files as shown in the picture. I'm showing step by step, and I'm going slowly so that you can follow me. I've put here a screen which shows that you can even upload your video on mobile phone, but there's no option available on mobile phone to add end screen and cards in the YouTube Shorts video. But watch this video till the end to know how to upload YouTube Shorts, which includes adding of end screen and cards on mobile phone. Right, now you see I'm giving the title here. After I selected the file that got to be uploaded, whatever the title is, you give it appropriate so that it would be helpful not only for you, for the others also, to check with the names. Whenever there is a new product in the market, people would go by checking its name on Google browser. You all know that. So you give it the name correctly. Next, I have come to description box. You write 2 or 3 lines of your shopping experience or the video related information that you are uploading. You can choose your thumbnail, or you can customize the thumbnail. You give it as an option as no, it's not made for kids. That option should be always highlighted. I'm showing you how to give the rapid tags. You go to Google browser, and then and there you can go for rapid tags. Copy all the tags by giving your title name of the video. Then you come and paste over here in the add tag box. You scroll down, select your language. If at all you are speaking in your own mother tongue or any other language, you go to give the video language so that the viewers can know the information when they watch your videos. Now I've given my channel name as Flying Skies 1 in the tag box. It's limited to 500 characters. Now choose the category under which your video falls. I have chosen here science and technology. Next, you got to select as allow all comments and likes and dislikes. Next, we'll see as how to add an end screen and cards to YouTube Shorts video. I've got an option when I selected as end screen add import from video. So I have selected the add option here. You can click on element. See, the subscribe button is available in the element options. When you click on the element, you'll see different categories of video playlists, subscribe and channel and link. So whatever you want, you can choose. First, I have selected the subscribe button. Next, the video or playlist either. But most important note here is to add end screen to any YouTube Shorts video. The video length should be 30 seconds. If it is less than 30 seconds, you cannot add end screen to your YouTube Shorts video. Now you see here, I've selected the video that I wanted to be in the end screen. You can choose different timings for your subscribe button and video or playlist you want to put on the end screen. You can choose different timings for the subscribe button and the end screen to appear in the YouTube Shorts video. But the duration should be 5 seconds, as you all know. If at all you want to make a video of 60 seconds length, then you have a choice of giving the end screen video in between the YouTube Shorts video. See, I have zoomed in here. I have given one subscribe button and a video that is related to Shopee, because I have made a Shorts video on Shopee. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell icon. Most of the time we have a doubt whether we can add an end screen after uploading YouTube Shorts video. Yes, if any of your short is going viral or there is increase in your views, then you can go back to that particular video, that is Shorts video, and add end screen and cards to that video. The end screen video should be 5 minutes, and even the subscribe button. If at all you want to add only end screen to your YouTube Shorts video, it's not possible, because both go together, but you can give different timings. And I have mentioned already, if at all your video is 60 seconds, you can even give the end screen video in between the YouTube Shorts video. You can add 5 cards relating to your videos. Whenever they click on the information button, the icon that is seen on the right top, viewers can watch all the playlists or the videos that you have enclosed in the cards. Next, you can go for visibility. This option is very important. If you want to chat with the viewers or the subscribers, you can choose the option as public and set as instant premiere. Otherwise, you have the option of scheduling the date and time as a premiere. In the beginning of the video itself, I have told that you can add cards or end screens either on your mobile phone, but using this option, you can go for it. You got to download Chrome from the Google Play Store. You all know that is a browser. Then search for your channel name. Now you select as a desktop site by clicking on the 3 dots that you find right on your top. Then you'll get an option of adding end screens and cards to your YouTube Shorts, as you see in your laptops. Provided you have signed in your Chrome with your Gmail account, and have YT Studio, that is YouTube Studio, being downloaded. I have checked here whether it's working or not. It's working. You see here, I've added in between the video and end screen. As you see, it appeared. Now I have given a video of Urban Kisan unboxing my first order at ₹1 as end screen. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering them. This is it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling.